Oh, all right. Well, I guess it's time to do some more redneck in this backyard.
Yeah.
My truck.
His truck.
Levi's truck. Wild child.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna see if this, don't get it too close to the camera, but we're gonna see if the old cone magnet will pull the old Toyota. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that right? Mm-hmm. All right, well, let's do this. This video is brought to you by Michelob Ultra.
Budweiser.
Watch your fingers there. You spilled my beer, damn it.
Ain't no telling what you find back here.
Alright, watch the camera. Alright, so now we're gonna try with Levi's truck. We got it rolling a little bit. I think the trick's gonna be to just ease it out, and once it's rolling, we'll have momentum on our side. But as you can see, the sun's setting, so we're gonna try to do this right quick. That should be good. This is what we call the Farmer John knot.
Farmer John knot? Dad, you just in your face.
I gotta pull the truck back.
Dad,
Are you serious?
Dad, you said this in your face.
What you talking about there, kid?
I didn't. They're here. I'm looking at medically.
You told me what?
I know how.
You think because you were switching gears a couple times earlier, you know how to drive this thing? This guy right here, he must be able to smell redneck shit from a mile away. Alright. Alright, let's see how this goes. Silas, sit down. Alright, let's see how this does. Hey, ease on it, Levi. Charlie, watch out. Alright, come back. Oh, God. Alright.
Keep going. It's moving. It's moving. Go. Come on, press on those brakes. I mean, press on the pedal. Yeah, stop.
Alright.
I give it some gas.
Charlie, you got a good bit of slack.
You have a lot of slack. Go on.
Alright.
Alright, ease it on. Ease it. Ease it. Ease it. Keep on going. And stop.
Son of a.
Ease it. Ease it. Someone's coming off. Ease it. On. Ease it. On. Ease it. On. It's going. It's going.
Alright, we're running out of daylight. It will move the truck, and it'll probably pull the truck, but I don't know if you can tell. But there's like low spots that these tires keep getting in, and the magnet is biting good until it hits a low spot.
Stop.
I mean, the front of the truck is definitely sitting lower than the back of the truck. So, yeah, and this magnet has been through a lot. I mean, it's not brand new. It has been beat down back in the creeks. So, all right, I guess it's time to see if it'll pull Levi on a bike.
About 40 miles an hour.
Don't zap me, I'll kill you!
What are you guys testing out? The brakes? See if he's gonna flip or not.
I can hold it.
All that extra rope about to mess this up. How did you manage that? Did you run over the rope? All that extra rope about to mess this up.
Oh man. Alright. Welcome to Jackass, guys. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that video. We're gonna do some more tests with this magnet. We're gonna do some more tests with this magnet. I don't know. We're gonna try to get a sled or something. You see why a man drinks. We're gonna try to get a sled, a hood, a car hood, a turtle shell sandbox lid. I don't know. A jet ski hull. Y'all got any more redneck shit that we might can pull with this truck? Brandon?
Give me a cookie.
Levi, any ideas?
Oh, we can think of something.
Yeah, we'll figure something out. But if you have any ideas, leave them in the comment section below. Like the video, share it with your grandma. Tell her to replay it to her dog or her cat. And yeah, just or don't do any of that. Just be an American. Be free. Love you guys. Have a good night. All right, Levi's gonna try to split this log right quick.
Aim wrong.
I got it.
Wrong.
I got it.
Do what?
Wrong.
I can hit it
aim.
one more time and it'd split.
You think so?
Yeah.
You ready? Hit me in the cod sack.
Here, stand on me.
I better not come up and hit him in the.
Like I'm riding a bull.
Standing up.